Hey guys, today I want to show you how you generate a lot of stones. All you need is 3 existing stones and wood. So make a quarter, take it, place it, take 3 stones. You need actually 4, so here's my 4th one. And all you have to do is place the stone right here and boom, look at this. So now you take your 4th stone, just take it. Now you have 3 on your arm. Now you break your stone here with C, and boom, look at this. Now you can place, and you have 3 stones in your hand. Now you can place the next one, take one, break it. Boom. Place it. Take it. Break it. Boom. Look at this. Okay. Guys, have fun. See ya.